Hi, I'm Pranav and I'm an international men's physique athlete, and the reason why I've been here in DHI is for my beard restoration, as beard restoration plays a major key in my personal life. So I've just done some research and other things. I came to know that DHI is doing a good job.
Factors that were considered while designing beard are age, facial features, profession, client expectation, and the existing beard design.
They use some special techniques and other things as well, which is not being harmful in the future, and there is no side effects or anything. So that is the reason right now I'm here in DHI.
The extraction is done from the back of the scalp known as safe donor area, which is androgenically resistant and is done by minimally invasive tools to ensure highest graft survival rate. It is very important and critical to maintain the angle and direction while restoring beard. At DHI, we use patented single-use fine needle implanters, which gives the most natural and gratifying results.